we go for chapter number 3, yes, animals, adaptations and habits. So, wherever the animals stay, they always cultivate few characteristics with the region where they stay. So, we are going to learn the adaptation, what they learn, the snow leopard, the penguins, we will be talking about desert animals, the camels, yes, they all are going to have different habits, yes, where they stay, that is the habitats and all the habitations. Now, we go for the next topic. In this, whatever we see in the land, then that they are known as terrestrial animals. If we are going to talk about the water animals, then they are going to be known as in the ocean as marine animals, desert and etc. Now, if we go for the next, for the suppose for the aquatic animals. If we talk about aquatic animals, then we see many of the, mostly the part of the earth is covered with water, yes, and we have two types of animals. Few live in the fresh water, yes, that is the river, lake, pond, and few are the animals which stay in the, their habitats are there, they stay in the ocean. So, they are known as marine animals. You can see the dolphin, yes, popping out, yes, these are the marine animals. Now, we see the other. If we talk about few animals, yes, in the fresh water, then they are the hippopotamus, fish, crocodile, yes, they are always having their habitats in the river water, which are the fresh water, yes. So, ocean water is salty, river, pond and lake water are fresh water. So, there are, if we talk about aquatic animals, we will be always talking about two types of animals which are staying in fresh water and other are in the salty water, that is the marine. Now, we go for the next. If we say few of the animals, they stay on land and in water, then they are categorized as amphibians. So, this is also a new word for you children. So, amphibians, you have to learn the spelling also of it, yes, and see the examples are salamanders and frog. Now, if we see few of the animals which are staying on land, yes, then we can talk about few of the animals which are in the forest, they can be in the desert, they can be in the snow covered regions also. We are talking all of the animals which are staying on the land part, then they are known as terrestrial animals. So, you have to learn this new spelling and the pronunciation also. Yeah? So, see the wild animals, they stay in the forest, yes. Even we talk about few insects, they are also going to stay on land, they all are categorized under terrestrial. They may be jungles, it may be deserts, it may be mountains, or it may be polar regions where it is completely covered with snow. Now, we see the next is the polar region, yes. Whenever we see the polar region, then there are polar bears, you see the leopard which is also white in color, yes. Then we will be learning the new topic camouflage, yes, that the same color of the leopard and the snow is matching with the environment, yes. Then the prey will not observe it and they can have their protection. So, nature has made them in the same, whatever the region they stay, they are having the white leopard to protect themselves from the prey. So, these are the few yaks, penguins, walrus and snow leopard which are always found in the snow clad covered regions, in the polar regions. Now, we go for the desert. Desert is also part of land children, yeah. So, again it goes under the category of terrestrial animals. So, if it is a hot and dry region, all other animals cannot stay. But if you see the camel, it is having their habitats, they have cultivated their whole body so that they can stay there, yes. And because of this few reason that they require less food and water, They are always used for transportation. Yes. Now we go for the other part, and that is the birds. They are also categorized under animals only. Yes. In science, even we human beings are known as social animals. Yes. So here we talk about so many terrestrial animals. Now we categorize few birds. All birds are flying birds. So the birds which fly, then they are known as aerial animals. So it's a new word for you. Aerial. Yeah. Same way, a monkey and other animals which are going to live on the tree, they are called arboreal animals. So you are learning another two new words. You learned amphibian, you learned terrestrial, marine animals, that is in the ocean. Yes. Now we learn the aerial and the arboreal animals.